Making a space functional without compromising on aesthetics can be one of the biggest challenges when decorating a space like a salon. Nastasha Watson tells us more about this recently completed renovation.
Today we're standing in a hair salon, which was previously a dry cleaners. It was pretty hectic before, very run down, and we completely stripped this place from the floor to the ceiling. We changed everything. We put in the screeded floors, we took out the ceilings to expose what you see here now. We redid the walls, the windows, all the plumbing, electrical, everything. We basically started from scratch. Keeping in mind that there are about 50 salons within a 3-kilometer radius in this area, the look that we were going for was just wow. We wanted luxury, we wanted, when you walk inside here, you're just taken aback by the beauty of it all. We really needed to stand out from everything else that's going on in the area.
Apart from the glam, the space has been given an industrial chic look.
So to bring out the industrial elements of the style of the salon, we've done the screeded flooring, that concrete texture, and then we also broke out the ceiling to expose the concrete of the ceiling. We've done industrial track lighting, and then you'll also notice the lines of the styling stations, the retail spaces, as well as the frames of the doors are all very clean, straight lines. And then to bring in the chic of the salon, we've done, for our feature lights, you'll see very soft lighting, very glamorous, on trend. We did quite rounded mirrors with the LED lighting at the back just to soften the lighting of the salon. And then a lot of greenery, chic furniture in our reception area, beautiful vases at each station. And then the wallpaper, that really softened the space. And I think it's really added a beautiful element, and it's become quite a strong element of the brand of the salon. The 3 different colors that we wanted to incorporate in the salon was black, white and gold. We've incorporated those colors in many ways throughout the salon. The furniture, the finishing on the lighting, the signage, and then always we try soften with greenery. We've incorporated a lot of industrial textures, like the matte finish on all of the styling stations, the screeded flooring, which is also very masculine industrial, and then we've softened it with a lot of other textures, like in the reception area, we've got beautiful fabrics with really nice prints. And then lighting, I think a lot of people don't think of that as a texture, but it really does create ambiance, and it is a beautiful texture to create, especially in a space like this one, where it's all about the aesthetics and the beauty, and lighting has really become an important element of the salon. We wanted the bathroom to be quite a pop, because we've kept everything quite monotone in the rest of the salon. We wanted you to walk into the bathroom and it's quite a different element, like a bit of a fun surprise. So we've done a very, very bold textured wallpaper. We've got a beautiful keyed vanity with a really gorgeous handmade basin, and then all the gold features again just to tie in with the salon. And then with regards to the outside area, it was previously a walkaway passage for the centre. So we were very lucky enough that we got permission to close it off, because we really wanted a private space that our customers could go and rest and enjoy the whole space. Even though it's quite small, I think we were able to make it really cozy by adding the pot planters so that it's very private. We added a lot of greenery, so it just warms up the space, because it was quite cold before with lots of brick and cement, so the greenery really just warmed it up and made it cozy. With regards to the furniture outside, we wanted to keep it outdoorsy, so it is outdoor furniture. It's also really versatile, the pieces that we've chosen, so we can play around with it. The chairs can easily be moved around according to how busy we are or the groups that are sitting outside. And then we've just added again the pops that tie in with the salon, like the gold scatters, the greenery, and then of course the furniture is black, which ties in with the rest of the salon. One of the main design elements that we wanted to create as a feature in the salon was the length of the salon. So when you walk in, you look down. We built this wall in the middle so that you look down the salon and you see the feature lights and then also the makeup station behind me, which is actually quite nice because if you drive past in the evening or even during the day, the first thing that you notice is the makeup station at the back. It shows right to the road outside, so that's quite a strong feature. And then the lighting, so it also makes that stand out in the center because it's really the first thing that you notice. So there's quite a big element in the salon.